guys, we've come to another episode, and in this episode we are going to deal with the fundamentals of matrices. Now, matrices, they are a part of mathematics that is very important, and in this concept, in this episode, let's talk about the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction of matrices for those of you who are having issues with stuff. So now, let's have two matrices. A equals 2, 5, 1, and 4. Then we have matrix B equals 1, 4, 2, and 7. So in this case, we are looking for the addition of this matrix. So when we are looking for A plus B will be equals to what? That's 2, 5, 1, 4 plus 1, 4, 2, 7. So at the end of the day, we have a result of so when you're adding matrices together, you add the corresponding placeholders of the matrix. For example, we have the first one, which is the placeholder for the intersection between the first row and the first column. That is 2. So the intersection between the first row and the first column will give us the first cell of the matrix. So the first cell of the matrix we add to the first cell of the second matrix. The second cell of the first matrix we add to the second cell of the second matrix. So we are adding corresponding cells of the matrix. I call them cells because they are just like Excel spreadsheets. So 2 plus 1, that's 3. 5 plus 4, that's 9. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 4 plus 7, that's 11. So that we have that as the so that is basically the addition of this matrix. So what of subtraction? So when we want to subtract the matrix, so we are looking for A minus B. We are also going to do it in the same way. So we are going to do A minus, that's 2 minus 1, that's 1. 5 minus 4, that's 1. 1 minus 2, that's minus 1. And 4 minus 7, that's minus 3. So this is basically how subtraction of matrix works. Just subtract the corresponding part of the matrix. So and then let's talk about multiplication of matrices. So for multiplication of matrices, we'll be multiplying them like this: 2, 5, 1, 4 beside 1, 4, 2, 7. So in this case, 2, 5, 1, 4 beside 1, 4, 2, 7. Now I want you to understand that in this kind of concept, what we are going to be talking about here is basically you are going to multiply a row by a column, and before you can do this, you must make sure that the row number of the first matrix is the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So in this case, we have 2 rows here. We have 2 columns, 1, 2. So the columns of the first matrix must be equal to the rows of the second column of the rows of the second matrix, which is 1, 2. In this case, let's multiply them. So if you want to know what kind of matrix you will get, just look at it. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 2 times 2, multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix. So you cancel out this middle the column and the row, then you get, for the outer values, will give you the nature of the matrix you get. So let's evaluate that. 2 times 1, that's 2. 5 times 2, that's 10. That's 2 plus 10. So we are multiplying this first row with the first column here to get the 1 by 1 cell of the result. Then for the 1 by 2, we multiply the first row with the second column. That's 2 times 4, 8, plus 5 times 7, 35. That's for the 1 by 2. Then for the 2 by 1, we will multiply the second row by the first row of the second matrix. That's 1 times 1, 1 plus 4 times 2, 8. Then lastly, we have for the 2 by 2, we will multiply the second row by the second column. That's 1 times 4, 4, plus 4 times 7, 28. At the end of the day, we have the different placeholders of the result as 2 plus 10, that's 12. 8 plus 35, that's 43. 1 plus 8, that's 9, and then 4 plus 28, that's 32. So these are the different this result of our answer. So this is what is gotten when you multiply matrices, and this is generally how to multiply matrices. So no matter how many rows, no matter how many columns, as long as the column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix, you can multiply any matrix that you want to get with this same method. Thanks for watching.